The Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints, often called the Mormon Church, places a high value on preparedness. This includes being ready for unexpected events like natural disasters, job loss, or economic downturns. One of the key tenets of this preparedness philosophy is the creation and maintenance of a long-term food storage supply. This practice is rooted in the belief that individuals and families should be self-reliant and able to provide for themselves and others in times of need. This essay delves into the specifics of the Mormon recommended food stockpile, particularly the suggested one-year supply. We'll examine each recommended food category, evaluating its practicality and nutritional value. Our goal is to assess the effectiveness of this list and propose improvements for long-term food storage. Grains form the cornerstone of the Mormon food storage program. Wheat, rice, and oats take center stage, recommended for their long shelf life and ability to provide essential calories and carbohydrates. The sheer volume of grains, however, can be daunting. A year's supply for one adult could easily exceed several hundred pounds. While wheat is lauded for its versatility and longevity, it can remain edible for decades when stored properly. The average household might find the task of grinding wheat into flour a significant hurdle. Rice offers a more convenient alternative, requiring only basic cooking. Oats, too, provide a quick and nutritious option, whether enjoyed as porridge or incorporated into baked goods. To enhance practicality, we suggest diversifying grain choices. Consider adding quinoa, a complete protein source, or incorporating pre-mixed pancake and baking mixes for added convenience. Legumes, including beans, lentils, and peas, are nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with protein, fiber, and essential minerals, making them a valuable addition to any long-term food storage plan. The Mormon list recognizes this value, recommending a substantial quantity of legumes for a year's supply. Dried beans, available in a myriad of varieties, offer incredible versatility. They can be transformed into hearty soups, stews, dips, and even veggie burgers. Lentils, known for their quick cooking time, are ideal for soups and stews or served as a side dish. Peas, while often overlooked, provide a sweet and satisfying addition to meals. To maximize flavor and nutritional value, experiment with different types of legumes. Consider sprouting beans or lentils for added crunch and nutrition. Remember to store legumes properly in airtight containers to prevent spoilage. Dairy products, essential sources of calcium and protein, pose a challenge for long-term storage. The Mormon list addresses this by recommending powdered milk, a shelf-stable alternative to fresh milk. However, powdered milk often falls short in terms of taste and versatility. While powdered milk can be reconstituted for drinking or used in baking, its distinct flavor might not appeal to everyone. Moreover, it lacks the creamy texture of fresh milk, making it a less than ideal substitute in certain recipes. Alternatives to powdered milk include shelf-stable UHT or ultra-high-temperature milk or evaporated milk. While these options have a shorter shelf life than powdered milk, they offer a closer taste and texture to fresh milk. Additionally, consider incorporating calcium-rich alternatives like canned salmon or sardines, fortified plant-based milk, or calcium supplements into your food storage plan. Section 5. Oils and fats. Essential for energy and more. Oils and fats are crucial for energy, nutrient absorption, and overall health. The Mormon food storage list acknowledges this importance by recommending a supply of cooking oil. However, the type and quantity of oil recommended may require further consideration. Vegetable oils, while commonly used, often contain high amounts of omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6s are necessary for bodily functions, excessive consumption, especially when coupled with low omega-3 intake, can contribute to inflammation. For a healthier approach, diversify your oil selection. Include sources of both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Olive oil, known for its heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, is a great option. Coconut oil, with its saturated fat content, offers stability for high-heat cooking. Avocado oil, rich in antioxidants, provides a neutral flavor profile suitable for various culinary applications. Section 6. Sugar and honey. A touch of sweetness or a sticky situation. Sugar and honey, while providing quick energy, offer minimal nutritional value. The Mormon food storage recommendations include these sweeteners, but their quantities and necessity warrant careful evaluation. Refined sugar, devoid of nutrients, contributes to empty calories and potential health issues with excessive consumption. Honey, while a natural sweetener containing antioxidants, is still high in sugar. For a healthier approach, consider reducing reliance on refined sugar. Explore natural sweeteners like maple syrup, dates, or stevia, which offer additional nutrients and lower glycemic indexes. Prioritize whole foods that provide natural sweetness, such as fruits and sweet potatoes. Section 7. Salt, the essential mineral. Salt, a vital mineral, plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. The Mormon food storage list rightly includes salt as a necessity. However, the type and quantity of salt should be carefully considered. Table salt, often heavily processed and stripped of its natural minerals, is commonly used. While it serves its purpose, opting for less processed varieties like sea salt or Himalayan pink salt can provide additional trace minerals beneficial for health. When stocking salt, ensure you have an adequate supply for both cooking and food preservation. Salt is essential for pickling, fermenting, and curing, traditional methods of extending the shelf life of foods. Remember to store salt in airtight containers to prevent clumping. Section 8. Water, the Elixir of Life. Water, the most essential nutrient, is paramount for survival. The Mormon Church emphasizes the critical importance of water storage, recommending a minimum of 1 gallon per person per day. This recommendation, however, is merely a starting point. Individual water needs vary depending on factors like age, activity level, climate, and overall health. During emergencies or disruptions to water supplies, access to clean water for drinking, cooking, and sanitation becomes even more crucial. To ensure adequate water storage, consider investing in durable, BPA-free containers. Explore water purification methods like boiling, using water filters, or employing UV purification systems to ensure access to safe drinking water even if stored water runs low. Rotate your water storage regularly to maintain freshness. Section 9. Expanding the horizons, fruits, vegetables, and canned goods. The Mormon food storage list, while comprehensive in its basic staples, can benefit from the inclusion of more diverse and flavorful options. Fruits, vegetables, and canned goods can add variety, nutrition, and enjoyment to long-term food storage. Fruits, whether dried, canned, or preserved as jams and jellies, provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Vegetables, similarly versatile, offer a wealth of nutrients and can be incorporated into countless meals. Canned goods, including soups, broths, fish, and meats, provide convenient and shelf-stable protein sources. When selecting canned goods, opt for low-sodium and BPA-free options whenever possible. Consider home canning or dehydrating seasonal fruits and vegetables to supplement your store-bought options and reduce reliance on commercially processed goods. Section 10. Nutritional considerations. Balancing the food storage equation. While the Mormon food storage list provides a solid foundation for emergency preparedness, it's essential to consider the nutritional balance and adequacy of the recommended foods. Meeting daily requirements for vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients is crucial for maintaining health, especially during times of stress or crisis. One area for potential improvement is the inclusion of more nutrient-dense foods. Consider adding items like nuts, seeds, nut butters, and dried fruits, which provide healthy fats, protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Incorporate fortified foods, such as cereals or plant-based milk alternatives, to ensure adequate intake of vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, calcium, and iron. Consulting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist can provide personalized guidance on creating a balanced and nutritious food storage plan tailored to individual needs and dietary preferences. Remember, the goal is not just to have enough food to survive, but to thrive, even in the face of adversity. Section 11. Conclusion. Preparedness. It's a journey, not just a destination. The Mormon food storage list, with its emphasis on long-lasting staples, offers a valuable framework for emergency preparedness. However, as we've explored, there's always room for improvement. By critically evaluating the existing recommendations, incorporating healthier alternatives, and prioritizing nutritional balance, we can create food storage plans that are both practical and nourishing. Remember, preparedness is an ongoing journey, not a destination. Regularly assess and rotate your food storage, experiment with new recipes and preservation methods, and adapt your plan as needed to meet your evolving needs and circumstances. By embracing the principles of self-reliance and thoughtful planning, we can face the future with confidence, knowing that we're prepared to weather any storm. Now, it's your turn. What modifications would you make to the Mormon food storage list? Share your thoughts, ideas, and experiences in the comments below. Let's work together to build a more resilient and prepared future.